In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Chase QuickCheck payroll feature. Now, this feature within Chase is called QuickDeposit, which allows you to deposit the check within the application by simply adding in the picture of the front as well as the back of the check. So all you want to do is within the Chase mobile application, head over to the pay and transfer, and right here you should be able to see the option called Chase QuickDeposit. Now within this section, make sure that you enter in the amount that is available on the check. Scan the front and back of your card. But however, before you do that, or before taking a picture, turn your paycheck over to the back endorsement section, and you must write two things clearly, which is your sign along with the legal name on the line, as well as write the mandatory phrase, which is for electronic deposits only at Chase. If you fail to write this, the check would not get accepted. So once you write that, make sure you scan the front and back of your check and then simply tap on next. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.